I'm going to show you how to create loose voluminous waves using the straighteners. First of all, I prep my hair with heat protectant spray to make sure I am protecting my hair against the heat the straighteners will give. I'm then combing through the product evenly to make sure my hair is well coated and prepared. Next, I'm sectioning my hair into one large section at the bottom. I then divide that section into two and bring the hair around to the front so it's easier for me to see. I'm then going to grab my straighteners and I just want you to look at where I am holding my straighteners. My fingers are pointing up to the ceiling. I'm then going to clamp my hair, turn the straighteners under whilst gently bringing the hair through the straighteners very slowly to allow that hair to heat up, which will then create the curl that we are looking to create. Making sure those ends come all the way through so you end up with a nice, bouncy, even curl. I've then taken a section on the other side and I am repeating the process, making sure I bring my straighteners all the way through, but I'm just going to show you what happens if you let go too early and the ends don't go through the straighteners properly. You will end up with what I like to call a fish hook at the end of your hair, this sort of right angle bend, which is not what we're looking for. So I'm just going to go over my hair again and just correct the ends and make sure we have that nice consistent curl going all the way through. So once I let go of my straighteners, you will be able to see that the ends have gone through the straighteners this time. We have a nice consistent curl. And that's exactly what we're looking for to create this look. I'm then going to repeat the process, making sure I'm turning those straighteners underneath as I then slowly pull the hair through. So again, make sure those fingertips are facing up to the ceiling before you place your hair in between the straighteners and gradually pull the hair all the way through. And we're going to just keep repeating this process until we get to sort of the top and front of the hair, which is when I'm going to show you how to curl away from the face. I do like to hold my curls whilst they're cooling down just to help them last a little bit longer. You can also pin them as you go. But for me, I just want to do my hair very quickly. It doesn't hold a curl brilliantly. So by holding the hair whilst the curl is cooling down, really for 20-30 seconds for each curl, it will just help to prolong the durability of my hairstyle. So again, I'm just going to speed up the rest of this hair until I get to the next section that I want to show you, which is how to curl away from the face. Okay, so just watch where I'm going to hold my straighteners now. So we've been holding straighteners with our fingers facing towards the ceiling. I'm now going to flick my wrist forward so my thumb is facing the ceiling. I'm going to clamp my hair in between and I'm going backwards, so kind of the opposite direction that we've been doing all this time. And I'm curling the hair away from the face, gently bringing that down so the hair has time to heat up. So when this cools down and we comb it out, the hair is going to be coming away from the face rather than falling in front of your eyes. So watch on the other side. Again, my fingers are usually facing the top, but I'm flicking my wrist forward. And we're going to clamp the hair in between the straighteners again, twisting backwards and pulling the hair through slowly. So you're almost twisting the hair on top of itself as opposed to going under with the straighteners. And once more, so you can see, we're going to have the thumb up to the ceiling, flick our wrist backwards and gradually, slowly pulling that hair through the straighteners so it has time to heat up, making sure those ends go all the way through, like so. Now, What we're going to do next is once the hair is cooled down, we're going to get a wide tooth comb and we're going to comb from the ends up to the roots. This is easier to get any tangles or knots out. So you'll have a nice smooth wave rather than these sort of stringy curls. I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then use a little bit of smoothing cream just to smooth any frizzy ends down and give a nice glossy finish to the hair. So once that is well coated, you should have some lovely voluminous curls. Now my hair is long and fine, but I've got lots of it. I do like my wave to start from the mid-lengths down to the ends, but if you have shorter hair, you might find that a lot more volume is created. Have a go and let me know in the comments how you get on.